Hi everybody, my name is Jillian Lemons. I work for Youngstown CityScape in the Mahoning Valley Treecorps. I'm an environmental science student at YSU, and today I'm here to be talking about the initiative that we're doing to plant 75 trees in the Mahoning County area. I'll start by going over what trees were popular last season, and I'll wrap up by talking about some of my favorite tree species that are offered. So some of the species that were popular last season were the dogwoods, the American yellowwoods, the eastern redbuds. We've got multiple variations of crabapples available, white oaks, and multiple red maples available. We planted, I believe, about 120 trees last season, and looking to plant more this upcoming spring. So we're offering a variety of species and a variety of size requirements depending on what your property needs for that space. So for our small species, I'd like to highlight the eastern redbud. So eastern redbuds are native to Ohio. They are really important for the ecology of the area. They're like host species for a lot of other species like caterpillars and butterflies and birds. So what they're going to look like throughout the year is in the spring they're going to have like deep purpley red leaves, and in the summer they're going to turn to green. That's when their seed pods are going to be maturing and turning to brown. And then in fall the leaves will turn bright yellow in fall, and the seed pods actually remain, so that's a fun way that in winter you're able to identify an eastern redbud without its leaves. They are pretty low maintenance, full sun to part shade, minimal water requirements, and that's the information for the eastern redbud. So for our medium-sized trees, I'm going to highlight the Brandywine red maple. It is native to Ohio. It's considered a keystone species because it has both fruits and flowers on it. That's vital for pollinators like butterflies, which will lay their caterpillars, and then that's a vital food source for birds, along with the fruits that form on the tree. So in the spring, that's when the fruits and flowers are starting to form on this tree. In the summer, it deepens to that iconic red color that it gets, and in the winter, or the fall and winter, that's when it's going to either deepen to like a darker red or brighten up to like a bit of a brilliant orange. And they grow about 35 to 45 feet tall. They like full sun. They prefer a little bit wetter soil than the eastern redbuds, but they can tolerate some medium to dry soil as well. And so that is the Brandywine red maple. And for our large trees, I'm going to highlight the white oak, which is a keystone species and native here to Ohio. This type of tree offers a lot of habitat for things like birds, pollinators, little critters that just need a little home. So this tree is going to get between 50 and 80 feet tall. This is definitely for a property that has plenty of growing space, nothing to interfere with it like electrical wires or any water lines or anything like that. It likes full sun and prefers dry to medium soil, but it is very tolerant of multiple soil conditions like clay soil, or like it's also very drought tolerant. In the spring, the white oak leaves are like a pinkish yellow color, that deepens to like a dark green in the summer. And in the fall, it kind of has a variance of what the color is going to look like, somewhere between maybe like a brown, yellow, red. Sometimes it goes to like a really deep orange color. And then the white oaks also develop acorns, which when they fall, they're a vital food source for things like squirrels. And so that is why the white oaks are so important. So we're offering about 55 species based on availability. If you're interested in having one put into the devil strip in your lawn, you can go to the website, youngstowncityscape.org, or you can contact Adam Lee at 330-742-4040. and I hope to see you all there. Happy planting! And then the white oaks also develop acorns, which when they fall, they're a vital food source for things like squirrels. And so that is why the white oaks are so important. And one of my favorites. Oh, and it also produces acorns, which will fall in the fall.
We'll pause that.